హాయ్, వెల్కమ్ టు జెన్సిస్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అకాడమీ. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ వ్యూస్ నుంచి ఐసోమెట్రిక్ వ్యూస్కు ట్రై చేద్దాం. So draw the isometric view of the object whose orthographic views are given below. So this is as already given, that is it is front view and it is top view. So it is in first angle projection. Okay, so ఇది ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ. ఇది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఇది స్టెప్ కాబట్టి స్టెయిర్ కేస్ లాంటిది. సో ఇక్కడ 16, 48. దీని టోటల్ లెంగ్త్ ఎంత అని అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో మెజర్ లైక్ దిస్ 25 and also it is 25, not clearly shown. So it is the total front view total length is 75. Got it? Next this is 36 and the step here it is 64. So it is 100. So you have to create a cube like 100 and 75. Okay, so to draw the isometric view, first you have to draw horizontal line, then vertical line, that is 90 degrees. Then you have to draw two lines or otherwise two axes. So these axes you can call you have to put 30 degrees angle. Here also 30 degrees. So you have to draw the four lines. One is horizontal line, vertical line, and then these lines. And on which, so the figure is always above this one. So here all the lines are parallel to one of these. Which one? Either this, not this. So this is the only basis. Okay, so here the rectangle will appear as parallelogram, a square will appear as rhombus, and a circle will appear as ellipse. That you have to keep in mind. Okay, so first I will try my front view. Always I have the habit of drawing the front view this side, and the other view, side view, on this one, and the top view will come like this one. So this is top view, and this is front view, and this is side view. Like that you have to maintain, or otherwise this is side view, this is front view, and this is top view. If you clearly observe this line parallel, and this line are parallel. They have to be parallel. Okay, so this line and this line. Okay, so vertical lines are parallel to this, and this other sides are, one side is parallel to this, the other sides are parallel to this. If it looks like a rectangle, you have to draw as a parallelogram. Okay, so to draw that one, so I draw the front view first. So what is the length of this one? This is 75. My concentration is on this front view. Okay, so now I have drawn this line. Okay, so if you call this as AB, I call this as AB. Okay, you can clearly observe that one. Then I will draw this one of 5 to 16, that is this part. This part I have drawn. Next, adjacent I have drawn this. How much this? It is 25. Again I have to draw one vertical line. So this line, if you observe this one, this and this are same. Okay, next I have to draw another, that is 25 here. Okay, next other vertical line is there. Then I have to draw this. Then I will complete this one. Okay, right. Now I draw this one. So, okay, so now you can observe that one. So this part, only this one I have drawn here. Okay, so this part is shown in the front view as rectangles. Here I have drawn, that is parallelograms. Okay, that is over. Now I will go to, this is this one. The other side is, this is over, no? So front view is over. So this is also having the same height, but the length is this one. How much? 100. So I will complete this without knowing anything. Then I have drawn this. How much it is? Okay. So how much length it is? 75. Next one is, I have completed the top part. If you clearly observe that, so I have shown here, this is. Okay. So now I am drawing top view, that is over. Next, that is another step, that is another step. So how it looks, that is right, that step is over. Next to second step. So this is one way of drawing this thing, and you can also tilt like this one. So how it happens, I will show in the other side. Have you got that one? So what is the distance? This is 36, and the dimension line should be, this is the same. These are the extension line, and the dimension line is parallel to this line. Okay, so I am able to draw clearly. So this line are parallel. Okay, so this is. So any side, any dimension line should be parallel to that. So I have drawn in another way the same figure. Here horizontal line, vertical line and inclined lines I have shown here. See this, I have tilted like this one, so that the steps are clearly visible to us. That is 100, that is the top part. There is no fixed and no hard rules. It is your. So these lines are parallel, because you understand, this line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. 4 lines are parallel. See, if you clearly observe this, these are not visible from top view. So this and this merges, this and this are merges. So this is this, second one. This is third one. And this is third one, if you observe. So if you clearly observe, the top view must be visible to us. But there is no connections between these two. That is over. Okay. This is top. You can draw like anything, but any orientation, either of these two. Got? And you have to draw the dimensions parallel to that. So now it is in the first angle projection, that is front view, that is top view, and this is right side view. Okay, so first you have to draw front view. Here also I draw the same thing, horizontal line, inclined line, then vertical line. Now my duty is to draw the lines for easy location of the complete the final diagram. So this is what I have done this here. So this is the front view and this line is 10. So it may be easy for me. Okay, so that is 10, that is front view, and then side view. With the front view, it is 15 plus 15 and then 30, it is 60. And then I have drawn like this one. Next, like this one. What I have drawn here? You observe? I have drawn this part of the top view. This I have taken, and this. First, I have to complete this base that will look like this one. Okay. Then I will go to the other part, upper part. How it looks, see this one. So why I have selected like this one? So this is side view. So this is side view. So it looks like this one. Okay. So side view and one side view. So there may be parallel to that. And okay, what I have drawn. So here the front view. So the front view consists of two things. One is one rectangle here. That rectangle I have drawn. If you start this one, this will appear here. But you have to observe here the side view. So this is free, nothing. So this here one rectangle is there, that I have put here. Okay. Otherwise there is a chance of drawing here just by seeing this one. So it is not correct. You understand? You have to clearly observe. Even in top view, in the first rectangle, that is base, nothing is there. Then here is the step, here is one material. So that is this. This and this matches. This and this matches. There is no material here. So the free space is here. See, clearly observe. I have to draw like this. I have drawn here. But there is no clear-cut division that the space available between these two. So I have to draw one more line to complete that. So this is the complete isometric view. If you clearly observe, so in the top view, this will appear as this one. I will explain again. This part, upper part, appears like this one, and this is this, this is this, and there is nothing. And if you observe from the top, it will also appear as a rectangle. That is okay. So if you go through this one, so this part is the front view, and the upper part here, this one. So that is why I have moved to this and drawn this one. If you clearly observe from right side view is given drawn in the left side. So this is this one, and that means you have to combine both front view and then top view. Okay. So this is the dimension you have to draw like that. So here I have taken as 80, 60 like that one. But the height is 50. So here I have taken, here shown as 50. Now write the same 50. That is top is 40. The top part is 40 and the lower part is 10. But I have taken more, that is 30, 30. Maybe I have taken 20 here. Instead of 15, I have taken. So you can observe that one. Okay? Right. So this is the shape. Here my trick is also helps you. That is, you have to draw, that is inclined lines 2, vertical line 1 and horizontal line 1. So what should I do? What is this? In first angle projection, the top one is front view and the next bottom one is top view. So my task is to complete this one. So first I will draw this line, bottom line. Then I will draw, instead of drawing this one, I have to draw one vertical line here. So this is also 25, 25. So understand my point? So draw, that is 50 plus 25 plus 25, 100. That is 100 line, 100 mm length. Okay, next I have to draw this front view as this one, this line, that is 20. So this is 20. I have drawn one line that is in between, that is from any axis it is 50. Okay, so that is to draw the inclined lines. That is, then only you can draw. If you don't draw this one, it is very difficult. Now I'll use this one, that is 25, this line. Next inclined line, because I know the top one. Okay, so how much top this height is, here you can calculate 20 and then 20, 20, 20, 40. So instead of drawing this line, so you have to draw this line so that you can join easily. Okay, so the front view appears. Okay, I have taken front view and then placed it here. Okay, this will appear like this one. Next, that is top view. So top view, the width is 60. So you fix that 60. That is 60. So you can take that also. There is no side view. Okay, so first I have to draw this top view, that is, okay, triangle. See this one, joining this one. So I will draw this one. I completed this. Okay, I will also draw this also. So I have completed these two. Two triangles I have already drawn. The two rectangles, this one and this one. So this is the middle one. So this is middle one. Okay. So now parallel to this line, you have to draw another line. See. Okay. So the parallelogram, top view, isometric parallelogram appear as rectangle in orthographic. Orthographic view rectangle means isometric parallelogram. That's all. Drawing is over. How simple it is. So that you have to observe. The next drawing is this. This is very difficult. It is not given to that. So you cannot enjoy this one. So this is another point. So if I take this as a front view, actually it is front view, but if you observe, this is something, and if there is a chance of that is a wrong thing, you can understand, and this is not on the edge of this one. If you observe this one, that is top view, from this edge is this. So from this, how much it is? 11. Okay, from this, how much it is? 11. So from this top view shifts. Okay, so this is a box like. So that box is width is 22, here also 22, and but it is also 22. That is a cube, and the height is 50. Got it? So that you have to draw. You have to take some care while drawing this thing. So you should not put, as I explained in the previous case, full front view. Here you have to take the top view as a priority. Okay, so this top view will sit on this one. If you want to, you can draw like this one. Okay, so if you want, you can draw like this one. Like this. Okay, so like it is one rectangle, put that is another rectangle over that one. So see this one. I have drawn that is 16. So I have taken this thing. So I am now trying to draw the top view. So this top view I have taken one center line. So that is the center line. Now I will use 8 by 8, that is 16 here. Okay. Next I will take up this line from this boundary line. How much this is? Totally okay, you understand? So the total is 75. From that it is 11. See this. So if you observe clearly, you can understand. Okay, if you clearly observe, so in the front view, this appears as this one. Okay, so those are hidden lines actually, but here appeared as a continuous line. Okay, so this is this line, and this part I have drawn as this, and it is at a distance of 11. Next I will complete the total part, that is 22, 22, then 15. The upper box is completed. Okay, so if you clearly observe, this is this line, and this line is this. Over that height is this line. So this is the height that is shown here, 15. Okay, now you can understand what is what. I completed this. It is also rectangle, shown that one. You understand? So this is overlapped. So okay, that is not visible to us. And this, the distance between these two is 8. So you have to maintain to line here as 8. Then you have to draw. Whether it is fully visible or not visible, you will come to know what is what. So that has to be shown. If you clearly observe, okay, understand? So this part is this. This part is this. So you can observe drawing how to draw. So this height is 12. So this is 12. This is 12. This is 16. At the gap here it is 15. That is 11. Okay. So you can understand this is 11. And this is 11. So this is a chamfered like. Okay. So this length is 11. This length is also 11. Okay, na? Okay, right. See this. If you clearly observe, okay, so I will try to explain here itself. You can also draw like this. This is one part. Okay, so this part is this, and this is some that is distance. Okay, that means there is no material here. So this is like that. So there is no material here. Okay, so that is the part. So the part should come like this one. So you have to observe this one, top view. So what should I do? Now I have to draw horizontal line, vertical line, inclined line, and I will fix here. So this total front view length is 20, 30, 30, that is 70. And the width here you have to fix, that is this one. How do you fix that width? So, okay, width is total width or greatest width is 50. So that, okay, so now I have drawn this one. Okay, simply some part of this I have drawn. Now I have to observe what is what. From this I can draw this one. What is what? That is over. Otherwise, there is a possibility of shifting this lower part to upper part. You understand my point? So, if you clearly observe, this is this part. Okay, so this is lower. From this you can observe this is lower. Okay, like that you have to develop this orthographic. So you can write on your drawing sheet for rough sketch. Okay, rough sketch. So if you draw here itself, this also front view look like this one, but there is shifting of this one. There is a cutting. There is no space. There is no material. Okay. This is how much. This is a front view and right side view. Okay. Next, what I should draw? First, I will draw this front view. In all my drawings, I have explained taking the front view this side, left side. Okay, so this length and width, now top length is 45, 15, that is 60. So this is 120. See this, how what you have observed, I have put like this one. This rectangle as this rectangle as this parallelogram, this rectangle I have drawn like this one. And you have to simply draw this one. How much it is? 50. That is 50. Okay? That is okay. This is 15 by 50 or otherwise 50 by 15. And I have to draw parallel to this. If you observe this, okay, so there is okay, that rectangle. I started. Okay, I have completed here. Same. Over. This is 50, 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 this is also 50, but it is overlapped, not visible. This is also 50, not visible. So you have to cut like that. If you draw, all these lines must be, first reference lines must be very light. Okay, so if you are able to get one, if you draw more number of lines, there is a chance of ambiguity, ambiguousness, doubts, and you are unable to visualize what the figure is going to get. Understood? So this length is 30, this length is 30. So you can draw vertical lines here. So the here it is 30, it is 30, in between it is 40, this is 10, this 10, 10, the height is 45. Okay, so this is 45 up to this, and this is 50. I hope you understood. Draw well, get good marks. This is a somewhat, I wantedly explain this one. That is how much it is. Here it is written as a plan. That means it is the top view. It is written as elevation. That is the front view. And this is side view. Okay. So if there is any view from that one, that is even if it is not given, you can also think that if it has two drawings or two views, so it must be front view. Okay, so in first angle projection, the top view comes here. In third angle projection, top view goes here. And in third angle projection, it is in third angle. The left side view comes in left side, right side view comes here. But whereas in first angle projection, right side view here, left side view here. So you take that one. So simply observe. I want to get what is that? Front view. Front view length is 96. Then I will explain how much it is. Okay, total. So the length this is must be 20. Then 46. Okay, then 46 plus 14 like that is, see this. So see this one. I have taken the flip of this one. Understand? I will also draw something.